So this is just to ano no to demystify or to let everyone aware of. Kasi ang sinasabi mo kanina Miss D is that yung pagbubuntis mo pa lang sa panganay mo, very aware ka na or very careful ka na. Nagpalit ka na ng mga, like for
Ah,
example,
ah.
yung mga lifestyle mo and everything because you really want your child to
Mm.
be healthy. But then baka kasi tanungin
Correct.
nila na parang, Miss D, ginawa mo naman lahat pero bakit nag-end up sila sa ganitong spectrum?
First of all, there's no parang scientific background or source or parang paano sila naging autistic. It can also be kasi yung mismong hormones or yung aming genes mag-asawa, hindi siya match. Pwede yun. Or yung mutation ng mga cells. Pwede din yun. Because I got married and got pregnant late. I was already in my mid-30s when I got pregnant. So, malaking factor yun.